Hello guys, for a few days ago I posted a poll on the community tab asking you about your opinion about ND fillers, and there seems to be quite a high interest of this, so I thought it would be a really good chance to do a giveaway for a set of freewell fillers that you will be able to use to make that buttery smooth cinematic footage with your drone. So I reached out to Freewell and they decided to sponsor an all-day kit like this one, where you basically get 8 filters. 3 of them are normal neutral density fillers, the rest of them are polarized. The giveaway says that this is for DJI Mini 2 or Mavic Mini, as those are interchangeable. The fillers for the Mini 1 will fit on the Mini 2. But in case you are the winner and you don't own one of these 2 drones, you can still get a set of fillers. You can simply just go to the Freewell website and pick an all-day filler kit that fits to the drone that you currently own. But you will get that filler kit instead, but of course it needs to be available on the Freewell website. Freewell will handle the shipping directly to the winner. What makes this giveaway a little bit different compared to what I usually do here on the channel is that it requires you to participate, that you're a member of the Tech Drone Media website. I know many of you are, because you have been there for downloading footage and all sorts of documents that I've put up there, so it shouldn't be a problem for the majority of you. But it is a requirement that you sign up as a member on the Tech Drone Media website to be able to gain access to the giveaway. Once you have done that and you are inside the Tech Drone Media website, then you will be presented with the Kingsumu setup where you have to enter your email address. It feels maybe a little bit redundant that you have to do it twice, but there are no integration between these 2 systems. So once you have entered your email in the Kingsumu email field, then you are a participant in the giveaway. Rules and conditions are also stated on that page. Once you have signed up with a valid email, you would get some additional information shipped by Kingsumu, where you can complete different tasks that will increase your odds of winning. I hope you like this kind of giveaway, and you can go to the description right now and click the link that will lead you to the page on the Tech Drone Media website that hosts the giveaway. Thank you and good luck to all of you.